today's English ladder lecture, and in our previous lecture we discussed lesson number 5. Now today we are going to discuss lesson number 6. I am not tired, said baby goat. Students, firstly we will do reading. Baby goat was having fun playing with his brothers and sisters. Nee, time for bed, said mummy goat. It's getting late now. So the little goats lay down to sleep. All except baby goat. He tossed and turned and tossed. I am not tired, he said. Daddy goat had an idea. Let's go for a walk, baby goat, he said. So off they went. Now students, remaining reading you can do by yourself. Students, this story is basically about a baby goat who is not tired yet at night. And when he goes for walk with his father, on the way he meets many animals who ask why he is not sleeping yet. He says he is not tired yet. All animals advise him he should have to sleep like all their baby animals. After a long walk, at last baby goat feels sleepy and he goes for sleep. Now students, move to the notes. Here we will read all difficult words, their meaning in English and Urdu of lesson number 6. Look at the first word. Here our first word is toast. Its meaning in Urdu uchalna and its meaning in English move from side to side. Next, hay, khushk chara, dried grass. Next, a flock of a sheep, भेड़ों का रेवड़, a large number of sheep. Next, शेड, मवेशियों की रहाइशगाह, अ शेल्टर फॉर काउस. नेक्स्ट, फीडिंग, देखने की कोशिश करना, ट्राइंग टू सी. आवर नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज स्टेबल, मवेशियों का बाड़ा, अ शेल्टर फॉर हॉर्सेस. नेक्स्ट, फोल, घोड़े का बच्चा, द यंग वन ऑफ अ हॉर्स. नेक्स्ट, स्नगल, जुड़कर बैठना या लेटना, सेटल. स्टूडेंट्स, आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. Students, here are some textual questions and some questions are made by myself. You will have to learn all these question answers. We will read these question answers. Our first question is, why could baby goat not sleep? Because he was not tired yet. Next, what were the babies of other animals doing? The babies of other animals were sleeping. Next, what did daddy goat point out to in the sky? Daddy goat pointed out to the bright moon and the twinkling stars. Our next question is, where were hen and her chicks sleeping? Hen and her chicks were sleeping in the hay. Next, is the flock of sheep sleeping in the field? Yes, the flock of sheep is sleeping in the field. Next, where was the nest of the flock of ducks? The nest of the flock of ducks was near the pond. Next, where was the little calf? The little calf was sleeping in the shed. Next, whose little foal was sleeping in the stable? The horse's little foal was sleeping in the stable. Next, what did all animals say to baby goat? All animals said to baby goat he should sleep like all their baby animals. Next, when did you go to sleep late? Should we sleep late or early? No, I went to sleep early. We should sleep early. Now students, you can learn all difficult words, their meaning in Urdu and English and all these question answers from these notes. Firstly, you will do H work by yourself by taking help from this lecture and from these notes. When you will do H work, then you can easily learn all these question answers and all difficult words meaning. And remaining exercise, inshallah, we will discuss in our next lecture.